want to touch a donkey.
Hi, donkey. Hi.
Hi guys, Liz here. I'm not at Pocket Watch. I am on a bus, a Korean bus to be exact. We're going to Vegas and the Grand Canyon. 안녕하세요. Good morning. We made it. This is my family. This is my mom. Hi. This is my dad. That's my brother.
Got him!
That's his wife. This some guy I know. Oh my gosh, after being on that bus for so long. So we're inside the Venetian.
Sky is not real.
Oh yeah, Mom?
Yeah, there's a fake sky.
She figured it out.
You are fake news.
It's like a little canal. Look at how cute that is. It's later in the afternoon, the sun is setting, but it still looks like the daytime. They do this so you can shop here forever. Forever.
Okay.
Stopped at a Korean grocery store to go to the bathroom. What did you sign us up for, Mom?
I don't know. You will see.
You will see, she says. Oh boy. How you doing, Mom?
I'm cold.
You cold? We've lost our tour guide. I'm gonna be honest, I don't even know his name. I don't know anything about his life. Does he have any pets? I don't know. But I hope he's doing well. And I hope we see him again someday. At 4 a.m. to go to the Grand Canyon tomorrow. Can't wait for that. We made it. We're at the Grand Canyon. Kind of. We got to hike to get to it. Oh, it's right there. Oh my god, look inside. Oh, it's so scary. Oh my gosh. You know what did this? Aliens. Here's a look. Okay, honestly, it's really cool, but I'm also very frightened. Just because it's like so big. I've never seen anything that's big. It's kind of amazing. I mean, by kind of, I mean really. Here's a little bit of a different view. Wow.
What did you say? What were you saying?
Look at those crazy people over there. I gotta say, it's really hard to find my mom in crowds like this, where everyone is a small-statured Asian woman. Mom? 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 Where's my mom? Wait a minute, there she is, I found her.
Okay, let's go
This way.
Oh, we're going this way now, okay. The canyon's pretty big. I don't know how big it is. I'm gonna say it's 70 jillion miles long. Oh, a dog.
So hi, dogs. The dogs came to see the Grand Canyon too.
I was too scared to walk to the edge, but I'm not too scared to climb a tree. Parkour! Parkour! Did you like the Grand Canyon? Do I look like my dad? Alright, tell me who I look more like, mom or dad. Leave it in the comments below. Okay, so we're at a gold mine that operated for a while. And now, the donkeys are left over. Hello, donkey. He's so cute. Hi, donkey. He's got a sign on him. It says, do not feed me anything.
Hi, donkey. I want to touch you, but they told me I'm not supposed to.
Hold on, do it. Yeah, yeah. Oh my god.
Donkey!
I love him. Hi. I like him.
Oh, he's trying to get his bag. I'm gonna pet that donkey. I'm gonna friggin' pet a donkey. It's the last thing I do. Just want to touch a donkey.
Really want to touch this donkey. Hi, donkey. Hi.
Yes! I touched it! I touched the donkey! That's what happens when you got a bunch of donkeys hanging out. You got a bunch of poop! Poop!
Pet him. One.
I don't know why he's doing that.
He's just cleaning himself.
Oma, you want a picture with the donkey?
No, thank you.
She says, I don't like it. Appa, do you want a picture with the donkey? No. Hey, donkey. How's it going? You want to walk and talk? There's so much poop on the ground. Poop! Oh, okay, so we made it back to LA after like 12 hours on a bus today, and my family and I are all gathered at a Korean restaurant, this time in Los Angeles. I had a great time. I saw the Great Grand Canyon. I touched a few donkeys. Let me know what you thought of this video. What kind of family trips do you go on? Do you embarrass your parents like I do? Make sure to like the video, subscribe to Pocket Watch, and we'll see you next time. Bye!